Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to bold lines. As example, I will create the tables with these all borders. And if you want to create bold lines like in outside lines, you can select the table and then go to border again. You can click this icon border styles and I will set with this bold, and then you can choose these options to apply the outer borders. So to be create the bold lines, I will create again in the top here. I will set for the border styles into this bold, and then click again these icons to set the border bold. If you want to change into the default, you can change again clicking at this border style and then click these tools. Or you can apply into the objects to make it the default border board style. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to bold lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.